all people, this is my Zippo collection. I know you seen my first video. This one's pretty much a lot better and a lot bigger. I got this in a secondhand store recently. It's Florida Sunshine State Slim. It is from 1983. Yeah, as you can see. I liked it because it's one of the oldest ones I got. I wish I can get older ones. But that's a nice slim. It's never been used before. This is another one I picked up from the same place. It's another Zippo Slim. It's from 2003. This also never been used before. I don't know what letter that is. I can't read that, but it's pretty nice. Other one is Playboy Bunny Zippo. I picked up. It's from 2004. It's got like a black look to it. Never been used. It's pretty nice. This is one I picked up at a shop at the mall. It's a Jack Daniels from 2006. 1996, sorry. It's pretty nice. I keep it in a case because it gets messed up. It's a solid brass. It's pretty nice. Next one is a Zippo. This is one for pipes. Lights on the side. I used it once or twice. Pretty nice. It's from 2002. Nice. Nothing on the back. I remember in the first video I was saying that I wanted to get a Coors Light one. Well, I got one. I just don't like the scratch finish they do on it. But other than that, it's pretty nice. I wish it wasn't like a sticker. I wish it was like, I don't know, carved in. It's from 2012. Never open. The next one is a 1941 replica. The replica is just made in 2012. Replicas are pretty nice. I like the round shape to it. So it's pretty nice. Next one is my American Eagle brass. Solid brass. It's pretty nice. It's from 2012. But I noticed it has that flat look onto it. I guess they do the brass like that because they can't push it in. But it's nice. Never been used before. I just opened it. That's about it. For all you beer lovers, I like beers, as you can tell. So this is Beer is Yummy. I like the look of it. It's from 2011. Never use it. Just a sticker on the back just fell off. Some of them I buy, that happens. Guess because it's been sitting there for a while. The next one is a Playboy Bunny. It's one of my favorite ones. Never been open. It's from 2012. As you can see, I see they messed up a little right here. They just stopped this silver, whatever that is. I like the finish. The finish is real nice. It's all the way around. Let's see. I just picked this up today. I forget who that is, but it's a General. This is made in 1993. If I'm not mistaken, if I'm wrong, I'm sorry, but you can see 1993. Dusty looking. I guess it was sitting on the shelf for a long time, but you can tell it's never used. Still has the stick on the back. It's nice looking brass. This one, I was looking for Japan designed ones that was sent over to Japan Design. This is an Elvis Presley one. As you can see, it was 1,873 out of 7,500 made. So I was happy to get this. It cost me $60. But when I look online, it's worth like $150. It's from 2009. So I like it. Never opened before. But it's designed in Japan, so it's pretty nice. My other one that was designed in Japan was his kangaroo design. It's pretty nice. I like it. It's from 2004, I believe. Oh, 1994. It's never used though. The next one is a Bud Ice. Pretty nice, from 2006. 1996, I keep getting the dates mixed up. Never used, but I just opened it. It's pretty nice. The next one after that is can't think. Mercedes-Benz, sorry. It's from 2002. It's pretty nice, never opened. Next one after that is a police one that I plan on giving as a gift to one of my police officer friends. It's from 2009. It's never opened. My next Japan one is this. It's from 1996. It was designed for the Japan market. It's never released in the United States. Next one after that is a Tiger from 2010. Nice design. I love tigers. Next one is cigar. I see some that was made in Niagara Falls, but this one was made in U.S., I believe. If I'm saying it wrong. This is 2006, I believe. No, 1996. In 1996. Also dusty. A lot of these old brass ones get dusty inside. I don't know why. Another Elvis one I have. This goes for $100 online. Elvis Presley is made in 2004. Never opened. Another one I have is blue. This one I use out of all of them because I like it. It's one of the newest ones. It's from 2010. Also, they have that thing on it, messed up on it. But I love the color. It's a beautiful color. I also have this one, just a regular common one. I plan on getting something printed on it. So it's cheap, $15. 2012. Never opened. I like the finish. Only thing, leaves your handprint all over it. And like Jack Daniels. This came as a set with a belt holder. Everybody loves this one. I think the other Jack Daniels is better, but people love this one better. So 2012 Jack Daniels. It came with the holder. Jack Daniels, for all you Jack Daniels lovers. Then I have my other holder, zippo holder, leather case. They built it pretty good, as you can tell. It says Made in USA. Did I forget any lighters? I believe that's all of them, so thank you and good night. Bye.